Time. It's something we live by every single day, yet there's so much about it that we don't understand. Today, we're diving into 5 facts about time that are so mind-blowing, they'll completely change how you see the world. Ready? Let's go. First up, did you know that time moves differently in space? Yep, this isn't science fiction. It's Einstein's theory of relativity in action. Basically, the stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. That means if you were to spend a year on a spaceship orbiting a black hole, you'd age way slower than your friends on Earth. When you return, years, maybe even decades could have passed. This is called time dilation, and it's the reason why astronauts experience time slightly differently while they're in orbit. Imagine coming back to find the world years ahead of you. Talk about the ultimate time travel. Get this, time actually passes faster at higher altitudes. If you live at the top of a mountain, you're technically aging faster than people at sea level. But don't worry, it's by only a tiny fraction of a second. This happens because gravity is weaker the further you are from the center of the Earth. Less gravity equals faster time. It's called gravitational time dilation, and it means people in skyscrapers are aging faster than those on the ground. Crazy, right? Fact number 3. Your brain creates its own sense of time. Did you ever notice how time seems to fly when you're having fun, but drags when you're bored? That's because your brain actually creates its own sense of time. Scientists believe it's because our brain processes more information during exciting experiences, which makes it feel like more time has passed when we look back. But in the moment, your brain is too occupied to keep track of time, so it feels like it's flying by. Fact number 4. Time could just be an illusion. Here's a concept that'll really mess with your mind. What if time doesn't even exist in the way we think? Some scientists and philosophers argue that time might just be an illusion, a construct our brains use to make sense of the world. Think of it like a movie. Each frame exists simultaneously, but we experience them one after the other. So if this theory is true, then the past, present, and future are all happening at once. You're just moving through them, frame by frame. Fact number 5, you're always experiencing the past. Finally, here's a mind-bender. Because of the time it takes light to travel, you're always experiencing the past. When you look up at the stars, you're seeing them as they were millions of years ago. Even when you look at someone standing across from you, you're seeing them as they were a tiny fraction of a second ago. The further away something is, the further back in time you're seeing it. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're gazing into the history of the universe. And there you have it. 5 mind-blowing facts about time that just changed how you see the world. From time moving differently in space to the possibility that time itself might not even be real. If this video blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. And hey, which facts surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what you think.